Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to another cool, quick episode test run of Mission Accomplished. This is a sound check. We are making sure everything is perfect. And in the process of making sure everything is perfect, I'm going to bring on three of the coolest people that you'll ever meet in your entire life. They are my wife, my kids, Amy, Jackson, and Nolan. Hello, how are you?
Hello.
What are you guys doing today?
Nolan disappeared.
I think Nolan went with you. Went up to see you.
Oh, well, I'm by myself here in the studio, except somebody just walked in. Oh, I got a fireman in the house.
Everybody!
Hey, everybody, say hello.
Hello.
Hello. What is today, guys?
I don't know.
Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve. And why is Christmas Eve Christmas Eve?
Because
I have
it's
no
the Eve
idea.
before Christmas Eve.
Wow, is that an actual thing?
I don't think so. We just made it up.
Oh, is that a thing in the Mish house? Is that what you're trying to say?
I guess.
Oh, and what do you guys want to do today?
Make a pink golf ball.
Make a pink golf ball, he says.
Like this
He
one.
wants to go shopping.
Oh, we do have to do some last minute shopping.
I wanna
And
go
we also
shopping
need to
too.
hide some Smirnoff Ices around the house.
Check it
Oh, and
Check it
how
out.
do you guys think I
Hello,
sound to you?
mister.
Do you sound pretty good? I mean, you guys sound crystal clear.
Yeah, you sound clear too.
Awesome. Do you think I can move the mic away from my face a little bit? How about right now?
Right, perfect.
It's perfect.
Yeah,
Right
Yeah.
there's
yeah.
perfecto. It's not so loud.
Yeah, better.
Awesome. So,
Awesome sauce.
Nolan, come around the backside of me.
Sauce.
Take a look at that.
Awesome sauce.
Boss to the sauce. All right, let's do a quick speed round. Speed round with Jackson and Amy. What
Check it out. I'm a rooster.
What is your favorite Christmas cookie?
I like snowman cookie.
What's a snowman cookie?
I
Nolan.
don't know. It's a cookie
My
that has
favorite
a snowman
is-
frosted. No, mine's the favorite. My favorite one is the one we made
My
downstairs
favorite
in
is
the basement.
peanut butter blossoms.
You guys have a favorite? It's Lady Gaga?
Lady Gaga? Lady Gaga cookies. Hey, can you go shut that door because I can hear Mommy and Jackson
I
downstairs
can hear you guys
Okay.
upstairs.
and they can hear us. So shut that so we have it soundproofed a little bit. Okay. What is your favorite Christmas song?
Run, Rudolph, run.
Run, Rudolph. What about the 12 Pains of Christmas?
Ooh, yeah, that.
Ooh, I love the 12 Pains of Christmas.
The 12 Pains of Christmas. I chose that to be.
Okay. What is your favorite kind of Christmas present?
I don't know.
Buildable ones.
I knew you were going to say that, like Legos and magformers.
I think
Yeah.
it's Magformers.
Magformers.
Right.
Okay.
Anything that makes my life easier.
Oh, I was going to say maybe anything that comes from the kids, from the heart.
All
I have a
was also
feeling.
gonna say things from the heart.
What's your favorite?
I have a feeling like
So you
whatever's
got
in our
something already
stocking.
from me.
What?
Does Daddy know what's in the stocking?
I can't hear you. What? Okay. Nolan would like to ask the next question.
What's your favorite Christmas movie?
I think I'm gonna go with Elf.
Elf's awesome,
Ooh.
and so is Home Alone.
Here.
Yeah.
What?
I said Elf.
I can't hear you. I would probably go with Home Alone,
Home Alone.
and Elf would be probably number 2, and Home Alone 2 would be right up there as well. What is your favorite Christmas TV special?
What?
Do you know what that means? Like Rudolph or Charlie Brown Christmas
Oh.
or
I probably
Obviously,
say
the
with
24-hour
Rudolph.
Christmas story.
oh, the 24-hour Christmas
Ooh.
story.
Yeah, that.
Yeah. All right, let's finish this interview up. Nolan, do you have another Christmas type question? Oh, I got a good one. If you could be any Christmas figure, like Santa, an elf, Rudolph, a snowman, who would you want to be? What character? What Christmas character would you want to be?
I don't know. I think it would be.
I kind of want to be an elf.
Really? He would be Kevin McAllister.
No, an elf.
That's
You'd be an
a
elf?
good one.
No, Kevin McAllister. McAllister.
Stop. Don't touch that.
McAllister.
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 Can
And,
I ask you guys a question?
Sure you can. Absolutely. Flip the script.
Hold on, but after watching Noelle, I think it would be cool to be Noelle.
I can't hear.
Yeah. She can read everyone's mind. I mean, well, not. She knows things without knowing it. She could speak all the languages without knowing how.
Okay.
What's your question, buddy?
My question is a hard one. How fast does Santa have to travel to get to every house in the whole world?
What are you saying?
He knows.
Oh, no one can't hear you because I have the headphones on. But my answer is 468,000 miles per hour.
Close.
I don't know what he's
It's
saying.
486
486? Man, I was so
1,000
close.
miles an hour.
miles an hour.
What?
That is 1,300.
No, Santa has to go
miles
486,000
Sorry.
miles per hour to get all the presents to
We
all
need
the
a
children.
side by side
No,
of
he
me and
doesn't.
him and you and Nolan.
How do you know?
Say twins.
Why?
I'm trying to turn my head how yours is turned.
How do you know?
Yep.
What did he say?
Now listen,
Wrong way.
I'm going to go ahead and close out the show now. Thank you for tuning in to the Test
I
Run
don't know
Mission
what you
Accomplished
said.
Christmas Special Twins Edition.
I gotta go get the cookies.
Boom, boom.
And
Cookies are done. I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you for
wanna
joining
go eat
me
a
today.
cookie.
All right, go eat a
Me.
cookie.
I wanna
Peace,
go eat a
peace out.
cookie.
Get out of here.
I want a
Go.
cookie.
Go.
Okay, come downstairs.
All right, bye. I love you.
Me want a cookie.
Bye.
That was my family, the coolest on planet Earth. They are true mishes. They are complete characters, and they love Christmas. So I love you. I believe the sound was great. I'm going to go downstairs and eat some cookies with my family. Tune in tonight, 8 p.m. I will be talking to BKFC Tyler Goodjohn, Cage War Zone Logan Weaver. I'm really excited about that. I think this sounds great. See you guys later. Bye.